Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Today's question is repeated DNA sequences. In this question, what we are given, see, all DNA is composed of series of nucleoids abbreviated as A, C, G, T. For example, ACG, AA, TT, CCG. When studying DNA, it is sometimes useful to identify repeated sequence within the DNA. Write a function to find all 10 letters long sequence that are substrings that occur more than once in a DNA molecule. So, what we are to do in this question? We are given as input a long sequence of characters. Now, in this input, we have to find those 10 letter long substrings which occur more than once. That is, the output here is AA, 5 times A and 5 times C, and another output is 5 times C and 5 times A. So, we can see that this 5 times A and 5 times C, once it is occurring here, see, 5 times A and 5 times C, once it is occurring here, and another time it is occurring here, 5 times A and 5 times C. So, this particular sequence is occurring twice. So, therefore, we have appended in our answer, and another sequence, that is 5 times C and 5 times A. See, it is also occurring 2 times. Here 5 times C and 5 times A. Once here and another one is here, 5 times C and 5 times A. So, you can see that this sequence is also occurring twice, that is more than once. Therefore, we have to append these two sequences in an answer. So, what we will do, and we know that we have to find 10 letter long subsequence. So, now what we will do, we will find all the substrings which are of length 10. We will find all the substrings which are of length 10 and add them in a hash map and store the frequency of them. For example, see, we take an hash map, our key will be the string and value will be the number of times it has occurred. So, once we have, so first time when we have got this string, what we will do, suppose this is H. So, this H string will be put in the hash map as a key and 1 will be the frequency of it till now. Now, another time when we encounter this substring, this is H and H is already present in the hash map. Then what we have to do, we have to just increment our value to 2, that is we have to store the frequency of these substrings in a hash map, and later on when we will iterate the hash map, those key whose value is greater than 1, we will append that in an answer. So, this was the entire question. Let us see another example. See, here it is AAA and we know that we have to find the substring that is 10 letter long and it is repeating. See, this is of 11 length and we can see that AAA is occurring here 10 times, 10 AR here and another 10 AR here. So, this means that this is the repeating subsequence, the repeating substring. So, we will append this in our answer. So, now let us write the code of this question. So, first of all, what we will do, we will take a vector of strings in which we will store our final answer, that is V, in which we will store the final answer, this answer. Now, we will form an unordered map, that is a hash map, in which our key will be the string and our value will be of type int and we will name it MP. Now, we are given this S and we will iterate over this sequence. So, how we will iterate? See, for int I is equal to 0, I less than S dot length minus 10, that is I less than equal to S dot length minus 10, I plus plus. So, we will be iterating over this combination of letters and we will find every possible 10 letter long substring, every possible 10 letter long substring, and we will iterate it till minus 10 because a last substring which will be of length 10 will be this, that is will be this, and if we go beyond it, then we will find only the substrings which are less than the length 10, which will be 9, 8, and we do not require that substrings. We only require that substrings which are 10 letter long subsequence, the substrings. So, therefore, we have iterated through S dot length minus 10. So, now what we will do, at every particular index, what we will do, we will find a string of 10 letter long, we will find a string of 10 letter long, which is 10 letter long. So, H will be S dot sub str, it will be starting from the ith position, that is it will be starting initially from the 0th position till the length 10 and length will be 10. So this is how we have found the substring which is of 10 length. So now what we will do, we have found a string h, we will put it in our hash map, that is mp of h plus plus. We will increase the frequency of this particular string with increment with 1. So now after this loop has occurred, we have all the possible substrings which are of length 10 in our hash map with their corresponding frequency. Now what we have to do, see, now what we have to do, we have to iterate our hash map, because there will be certain strings. Why we are iterating the hash map? Because there will be certain strings. Suppose s is a string which has value 1, but we have to take only those substrings which have value greater than 1. So see, now we will iterating our string, that is our hash map. So our if our x dot second, where x dot second stands for the value, is greater than 1, what we have to do, we have to push back in our answer vector the string which is x dot second, that is the key, that is x dot first, we have to append in it, and later on we will return the answer vector. Now there is a base case, there is also some simple base case, that is if the input length, that is the input length of this subsequence, is less than or equal to 10, then what we have to do, we have to simply return, sorry, it will be coming here, if the length of the input is less than or equal to 10, we will simply return v from here, that is the empty vector we will return, because if the length of the substring, if the length of the sequence, that is s, is only 10, then there is not a possibility of finding a particular substring of length 10 which will occur twice. So therefore we will return empty vector from here. So this was the entire code. Now let's run this code. Okay, sorry, there was an error, like we have to delete this. Okay, so now let's run it. So it is accepting on the custom test case. Now let's submit it. So you can see that the our question is getting accepted. I hope guys you like this video. Thank you.